Hi guys, how you doing today? This is from Apple Expert, Mac Repair Center in Calgary. We are located at 1504 14th Street Southwest, Calgary, in Alberta. We open weekdays 11 to 8, Saturday 11 to 7. Our specialty is liquid damage logic repair for Mac, logic board repairs for Mac, data recovery, iPhones, iPads, fixing all Apple products, including slow Macs, virus, operating system upgrades. If you need any help, you can call us today. We received a MacBook Pro A1278 2012, board number 8203115, that has a liquid damage. We will show you how to fix this board today. So if we look at the board here under microscope, I can get my tweezer, clean, no liquid, no corrosion. So the bottom part of the board, it's really nice and good, clean. Then, okay, so we have liquid here. This is near the CPU circuit. Around SMC also here, corrosion. We have here. This is the TP3V3. This is the T29 circuit is bad. This is the LED driver is bad. I'll show you here the corrosion under LED.
For 2012 finish.
You see here, guys.
Macbook Pro.
Then
I came here to
LCD connector. Then this guy here is the fire wire, I believe, circuit.
2012,
Then you have here
15 inch.
Yeah.
Check for you.
So, what time are you gonna wake up?
so here we have
Dada.
a bit here.
3 o'clock, bro.
So let's start on this guy here.
What?
You need low width flux.
Okay. You could have told me that from yesterday. I could have just go there and called it on there. Taken it down. Okay, I will do that. I'll call it from there.
Any color?
Let me see what
Then you have a bit here, bit here. So let's start. I will prepare my hot air here for you. We ran out of the gloves due to the COVID-19, and there is no place to buy them. Like corroded, rusted, like crust. Look at it. Yeah. Okay, one is off the board. Come on. No forcing. Out the board, out the board. There's no problem here. Of the board, of the board, of the board, of the board. You don't want this is garbage. You don't want this. This circuit is responsible for the backlight. And this is the LED driver that provides the actual backlight signal and the feedback. It's a big circuit by itself. And removing the LCD connector. Then removing the fire wire circuit. Okay, so I'll finish this area first before I move on to the other area, but let me see here. No corrosion, reflow is enough. And I'll do the PP3V3. This is the most important power line for me on this board, at least. Bro, you have a phone call. Like rusted. So we're applying leaded solder. I'll just hook it. We are a little bit behind on logic board repairs due to the COVID situation here. So every day we don't touch logic boards till 4 or 5 o'clock at the end of the day, and that's causing a problem. Anyway. So let's see what we did. Let's clean. Cleaning in progress here.
Only would know whenever you have the time, if you can bring it in so we can check it.
It's alright.
Okay, wait, when you put it on charging, what is it? Does it show charging?
Yeah, sir, you have to shoot this during regular business hours. You see people in and out.
20% in 2 hours? Okay, oh, okay, just shut down.
You see here. I'll zoom in a little bit.
No, on the side of the computer there is a button there on the side. Just press the button and see if it is showing any light.
Let's see.
On the side of the left side, the one when it is
I'm not sure if it's connected or not. So,
when the laptop is facing you on the left side, and there is a one button there, and next to the button there is a small hole there. Just press the button.
let's check.
There's just little light, so when you press it, so it will show you a lot of light too.
There's continuity. Okay, very weird. So I have the jumper wire here.
With the charger, the same way the white on the front side. You see one of the round button here. You're good? You're good?
That's good.
Yeah?
So where this goes? Let's see on the
And you can just,
overview.
if you come this side, you bring it in, we can check it for you. Yeah, unfortunately.
So this guy connects with this guy.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
The second one,
Okay, thank you.
the second one connect with this guy. No, sorry, connect with what the heck? Connect with this guy. Yeah, this and this goes to here. So if I do this, it's nothing. So this is damaged. Disconnected. Or this, go to this. That's nice. Yeah, something doesn't make sense. This guy, the first one, I'll do this, second one. Yeah, doesn't make sense. Okay, so let me start putting some chips, then I'll figure it out while I hold them.
I killed myself over this password. I set up the wrong, I don't know, I set up something totally
I'll
my
reprint
fault, but
everything,
this is the
even if
one
they
that
are
I
just
got
test
for my
points.
birthday
Okay.
from here,
Yeah.
and I just drafted as soon as I got home, and now I don't know what the password to get in it is. Like, I tried all the passwords we usually have.
Flying solder on.
Did you change it?
Well, I changed it here, like from your guys' to this one, but then I wrapped it and I just left it, and now I can't get in. So I don't. I called him yesterday,
Yeah.
really upset. It's totally my fault. Like,
Did you see about your data?
no, we haven't done anything on it. Yeah.
Okay, so reprint those. See, there's a problem with the first print.
Like, I literally brought it home from here, wrapped it up, and left it for 3 weeks.
We'll
And then
figure
I
this
tried
out.
to get into
We're
it
gonna have to
yesterday,
jump on some
it
wires.
didn't work.
But let me.
And I know
do
I'm the one that changed it. Like, maybe do it here.
this. We have this. We have this.
Okay, let's put up now, please.
I have to change my solder iron again. This is because of the balls one, because of the pads one inside each other in condensed area. So this considered a big heat sink. So we need a bigger. You see, there's a problem also here. We'll fix it.
For the hard drive. What was that? Maybe that's for the hard drive. Yeah, just bring it in the lab.
Am I gonna have to leave it here? We can't just restart it or something?
And
We'll have to change it.
alarm you. No, I just bring it in the lab.
Okay, so let's grab my donor. I'll start with it now with the back.
Okay,
Let's
okay.
start with this
No,
guy.
no, no, you can just bring it in.
If I find a donor that has it.
So just you can bring it in the lab.
Yeah. So
No problem. Okay, thank you, sir.
I can wait if you need to reset it or something. I just feel so bad.
resetting. Hi.
Hi.
He forgot her password.
On the phone or laptop?
No,
Yeah.
on
I call.
It takes roughly 1 hour to 1 hour and a half minimum. Like reset everything. And I have to finish this, then I'll start with it for you.
Okay.
It's alright, it's not a big deal.
It's not it's not gonna take. I don't know. I just feel so bad.
Don't worry, you don't have to feel bad. Come on, it's alright. It's one of those days.
Oh my gosh! And like I pulled out all her stuff we always use, and I was like, what if Cat Bug is on? I tried 1,000,000 passwords last night.
Did you try 1, 2, 3, 4?
Yeah.
It happens, trust me.
Oh my gosh! I felt so bad. She opens it, she tries to play with it. We can't get into it. Oh my god.
Was it his birthday?
Yeah, her birthday was yesterday.
So happy birthday.
Thank you. Address?
I'm just putting the chips back now.
Okay, thank you so much. I'm
No worries.
sorry.
Then let me add the box in here. Is there anything in here? I don't know. I don't think so. Yeah, nothing. Okay, so this is done. I'll come back to this. Basically, I have to jumper some wires here. Okay, so this won't help. Board. Oh, this help. This board will help. I have everything in here. So one capacitor. So this is this capacitor, and this is the one beside it. It's basically I think was for the backlight, and the one right beside it for the LCD switch. Okay. Let me finish this area here. So before I finish this area, I would like to run some testing here. I would like to do this before I solder the new chips, not after. So if we go, this guy should be connected to this guy. So the first one should be connected here, which I think so. Let me look at the schematic and the board view. Okay, so I don't know if you can see. You see this one? You see the wire connected here. The second one, not the clear. Third one here. Okay. Let me actually. The easiest way is for me. I'll remove from a donor board that resistor. Then I'll show you on the good board how does it look like. So as you can see, okay, I'll zoom in more. The first one, you see the wire, this is embedded in the board to this side. The second one to this side. Third one is in here. So this guy to here, this guy to here. Now that makes our life easier. We will So this guy to here, let's test. This way is better. Just put the brightness down. So here, where is my top here?
And then, and did you see
There is no connection here,
under what
and
number?
there is no connection here.
And you know,
So what I will do, I will connect them manually. So in order to do this, I will start. I'll do those small capacitors and resistors. Can you pick up the phone, please?
select it as Macbook. And
Okay, let's move on to the second one. I don't have any donor. Oh, I got one here. Let's do the diode now. Let's do the resistor.
just open them, okay? And what's your name?
Yeah.
And no, no, sorry, I was thinking, your number is 403-370. What will you take it from me, please?
Okay, actually, let's remove.
And yes, ma'am, can I add your number now? I'm with you now.
Okay, I need another resistor here.
438-6979 in your unit. How you spell? No, it will remember. It's 11 otherwise, yeah, iPhone 11 too. Yeah. Right? Okay, thank you. Have a
The
good day.
resistor
Call you
here.
back. Sure, thank you. Bye. 150.
Yeah, check everything, please. See, we're building them slowly, but we're going there.
Okay, check everything. Let me know when you're ready. Okay.
See this? I don't know if this is a test point or just a pad ripped off on this one from corrosion. So I have to check this one what it goes on the board. So I'll ignore it for now. That's good. I'm tired today, so I'm not doing too much talking. That's good. Good. Two capacitors. Capacitor here. Another capacitor here. I don't know if this is working or not. But let me build all this. We have one resistor, one capacitor. This is the backlight circuit.
You need that.
If you don't put this back, if you don't check all the traces, then the laptop will work where there will be no backlight. If you shine a flashlight to the screen, then you can see the image. Otherwise, good luck. See, in this case, when I had the corrosion, it's right above the LED driver circuit, then I might have a short on my fuse. But otherwise, the fuse just doesn't break by itself, unless a technician changing a screen and he doesn't insert the LCD cable properly, then he will short. He will make a short, then it will cause damage to the fuse. But beside this, I don't see it happening unless liquid short. So people who think, oh, there is no backlight when we change a fuse, that's a joke. And I've seen many technicians, they replace the fuse with a wire, and this is what I wanted to talk about a lot, because it's stupid to change it with a wire. I mean, if I put a wire, or even not a wire, people, they just do it with their solder iron. I mean, if you do this, and while installing a screen or any component, you cause a short, the fuse will protect, but the wire will make damage. As the circuit after and before will burn before the fuse. And trust me, it's there for a reason. The problem with the technicians, they don't understand is, okay, if they do something and it does work, it's completely different. What if something happens, and like what will happen if something goes wrong? What will happen because of what did they do? And they're changing the design based on no knowledge, based on nothing. So this is where I don't agree with by changing the fuse with the wire or jumper it. This is how you burn houses. So now we got this. I have to go here, jumper this. I'll do this first. I'm using 40 gauge wire. So we go with the first pin, which is double one tap in. Okay. Let me turn it more. Sleepy. Okay, so after we checked on the schematic, this goes.
Did you bring it in?
Can you check the estimate, please?
Okay, what is your name, sir?
Okay, so I have to mask this after. mouse color here.
This
Then the second one.
you call that maybe now.
Which one, Khan?
Just hold for me a second. 27 IMAX.
Get me the work order, please.
Power supply.
Get me the work order.
7304.
No, bring me the paper here, if you don't mind. I have to see which one. Because we did not glue the screen yet. This is a 27-inch iMac was auto restarting. I talked to him yesterday, Khan.
I did actually the main technician which is supposed to use yesterday. That means we already put a power supply in everything, but it's working, but still we are testing it. So maybe it is not today, so definitely on Monday. Because we didn't do the thing yet. So he's on we just testing it.
Yeah, people aren't patient. I mean, I talked to them yesterday and they keep calling.
We waited for our call. So
And people, they think we're just waiting for them. Oh, they bring us a machine, we work on it immediately. Yeah, we do, but I mean, we do things fast, but you have to wait for it sometimes, especially with the COVID thing. Okay, that's good for me now.
on your Mac?
So I think
I don't think we only go on a YouTube and start and playing the keys, so nothing else. Yeah.
Okay. That's good.
Oh, okay. No. I don't think.
That's good.
Yeah.
So let's check the back. Oh,
Yes,
that's
sure,
good.
sir.
No, it's not
Yes,
the
we
back.
did. Yeah.
See from
Okay.
here.
Okay, thank you.
So
Have a great day,
let
brother.
me.
Thank you. Bye. Bye.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, so I'll zoom in more. I like this microscope. So we have to find out where this goes. Now, this is good. This is from here. So, if I look at the board view, it's pin number 5. Oh, this is the backlight feedback. So, the backlight feedback. Let me do some. Okay. This is still connected. I think it's connected through this via, not this guy. Yeah, see here, there's nothing. But I don't think this goes anywhere. The only way to know is, yeah, I don't believe this goes anywhere. So the way it's connected, this goes in here and goes down in the hole to the other side of the board. So I'm not worried about this. Then let's check this guy. And this guy is ball number 6, and again this is the power switch for the backlight. And let me do some dive mode reading here. So okay, then still there. So if I do continuity,
Which one is that?
Okay.
iPhone
still there. Now shall we do something?
11 Pro Max. What's wrong with the screen? Is completely broken? Okay, unfortunately we don't have the screen
So what
in our
I'll
shop
do
because
here- I'm not sure.
yeah,
if this is
because that
connected or
screen,
not.
we get aftermarket, so that's not a good quality one. So rather you have to phone Apple. and you can send it in. Yes, yeah. If you fix it anywhere else, so you know it will be have a problem. So that's why we don't keep it, because we don't get a good quality screen. So
When I saw this board, I thought it would take me
Okay.
nothing more than half an hour.
Okay, sure. Thank
But
you.
It's quite a job.
Shall expert, I can help you. Hi.
I have to file this without it damaging it.
Which,
I need somewhere to
which phone do you have?
solder.
iPhone X. Oh, okay, yeah, it is cracked. Sometimes you don't see the crack, but it is.
So-
Yes, yeah. And that screen is $220, and we have the we have the premium quality
You
one.
see what I did? I just
Yeah.
file.
You welcome, and
This.
thank you. Okay, sure.
Now I did not check where it goes, but it goes to the other side of the board. I'll just do it regardless. So grab my 40 gauge wire. There's sometimes things I do on the board take a little bit longer, but I like doing them just to make sure I don't see corrosion, I don't see brown pads, and this is how we have better quality work than anyone else. Like, we really do care. Okay, so this is done, this is good, this is good. That's good. So then you see this guy. This goes where? This goes to here. Let's see on the schematic where it goes. Over here, and here. So if we look at the other side of the board, it goes nowhere. So if you see this, see here, see this guy, if you look at the schematic, it's connected from via here to here. So the problem is, so from here to here, so the problem is I have is, you see this, so this was this big. Now maybe this is more enough to do anything, but this and this and this 1 point. Now this is different. So what I will do, just to confirm that the customer will not have a problem, I will jump for a wire here. So in case this path broke, I have it here. If you know guys what I mean. And this is one of the ways we do to make repair quality. Again, if you do repair, you have to think always, will it last? If it doesn't last, tell the customer. Like seriously, if you believe that your repair deep inside your heart, and you know for a fact it will last 4 months, tell the customer the truth. You know why? Because he's going to know eventually. And when he was going to know, he would get upset. Why he would get upset? Because you did not do a good job. Why did not do a good job? Because it didn't break, and he paid you a few $100s, and he waited you to do it. So I know people try to save by fixing boards, but trust me, if someone doesn't know what he's doing, and most of them they don't, repairs will be very temporary. Anyway, let's get back here. So this is eye connected. Okay, this is connected. So now I feel good, and soldering my lovely part, my LED driver. Yesterday we did one MacBook here. We had a problem with the backlight also. Actually that one was more liquid and the customer cleaned with rubbing alcohol and he damaged things, but it was faster than this guy. I think pin number 1 is here. Then I checked for the feedback earlier. I remember we did check and it was good, so let me flip it. Ting, 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 come. Okay. Oh, that landed nicely, man. People calling. I have to finish this fast without sacrificing the quality. Dancing. Okay.
Sorry,
this is done.
We'll get it maybe
now.
in certain days.
Okay, let's figure this out.
At the moment,
So
we
this
don't
goes in here, this goes in here.
Okay.
So why there is no connection from here to here? And this, oh, so you see when you have a good microscope, something's easier.
Yeah, we can do.
So we go here. Okay, second one. Okay, third one. Nothing.
Yeah, if you can
I'll
bring it
just
in, we
check on
can
the
check
schematic
out.
where this goes because as you see there is a rip pad here. So what did I mean?
Yeah, you had a 2010?
One doesn't go to the other side of
Yeah,
the
of
board.
course, yeah. It
No,
yeah,
it
it
does
will
not.
cost, yeah.
So
because
this is
at
what I
that
was
point,
talking
the
about.
harmony is not
Test point.
possible.
You know how if you look at the
like the
schematic,
BIOS
this
and
connected
stuff,
to
it
here,
requires a
it
long
goes
process.
back to here or whatever. Then
Yeah.
there was a pad here connected to here. Why it was connected?
Yes,
We
right.
checked on the other side of the board, there was nothing, so I'm fine. This is a test point. So now all what I have to do is jumper this to this. So I grab my pencil.
Hi, they calling from Apple Expert. I just missed your call.
Then my wire.
Then the figure in between. Okay. Right. Just give it a second.
Okay. You see here?
And do you have
That's good. There's nothing in here. Now I have to do my LCD connector. Like seriously, when you're doing LCD connector, you have to feel your iron tip. You have to feel the pad. So I'll start like this. Just if you want to print it for me, I will call her back. Just I'll finish with this. There are many ways in doing soldering LCD connectors. There's the drag method. I mean, you can do whatever you
Okay,
like.
when you want to pick it up? I think it's just busy on something, so he's just calling me from the background. He says he will give you call back. So then you say, I got your number. So I will tell Hyder he will give you call back.
So this is,
Yes, yes.
if you leave this, you'll have a problem.
Right.
Okay. You see how I'm moving my way along this. Here, come to this side.
Yeah.
The more difficult the job is, the more I like it. I don't like doing routine things. I like puzzles.
443-819-3391 and yeah. No, otherwise, yeah, if you can now don't answer, we call on your number, you can easily message, voice note or something. Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Cleaning the tip. Touch. Cleaning the tip. Touch. Okay.
Okay, sure, no problem. Okay, sure, thank you so much. Yeah. Yes, sure. Okay. We are closing at 7.
Okay, I'll change the tip now.
You're welcome.
That's easier for me because this is considered a bigger heat sink. What was the job there, man?
Job was unable iCloud and lost data.
On what?
Data A1708.
Do we have the machine?
Yeah. She bring it in. She's a doctor. A1708.
Yeah.
Yeah.
She just brought it yesterday.
Yeah.
God.
She will pick it up on Monday if it is possible, so her husband can pick it up today.
I'll call her back. Alright. So now if you don't make this is
Yeah. Sorry,
I'll
Ben,
see
he's
if
busy and I was just
Okay,
missed the call, so that's why I was calling back. How are you doing? Okay, yeah, good. He's just busy, so maybe when he's free, I can tell him to give you a call back. Okay, Arjun. Yeah.
Okay. So that's the technique.
2011, 2017. Yeah, 2017. So that, yeah. So that
I'll
has the
just
power.
do this.
Yeah, you can bring it in.
See, I think there's a problem here.
Yeah, and Jessica, we don't repair on. Yeah.
I'm a little bit quiet today. I'm just tired. I did not have enough sleep yesterday.
Yeah.
I think I did jump or something. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, of course.
That's good. So let's move forward now.
What you looking for? Complete one.
So we have the LCD connector done, wiring here done, doors done. That's good. New LED driver. We checked this is good.
Yeah.
2 wires here done. 1 wire here done. Doors all over the place.
Okay, thank you, man.
Now let's go to this guy. What is this? Coming from SMC. That's really bad. Okay, I'll ignore it. What is this? Coming from where? I'll look at the. You see here this guy? There's no pad here. There's no pad here. This is the Wenger SMC. So hopefully it does not connect anywhere. If it does connect, I have to file this and connect the wire. I can solder this. This guy is it's good. So let me solder this regardless. Then let me do the capacitor for the TP3V3. Okay, and what is here? Well, here, luckily I have nothing. Now, this is the scary part. What I have to do, I have to find, because I don't know if this rail goes to which ball on the SMC. So I have to remove another SMC from a donor board to see where this connects to, which I think I should have some donor boards that has no SMC, which I do. So let's look at the donor board. You see this guy? Go away. Okay. So you see this guy where it goes now. Is it clear? I don't know if you see it. Hopefully you do. This guy goes to this ball. So we have to check the second one. It goes to where? So if we go this guy, it's the SMC weight low. It connects. Wow. Connect directly to the video card. So this guy go here, which this guy I believe goes under the board to go to the video card. So the question is this and this connected? I'll do a small test, or it goes also. It goes to. And also it does go to it goes to here. So if I do a test here on my donor board, if I connect on the second one, what is happening? So sorry here. So, okay. Now, if I bring my donor, my board, I mean, I'll remove. I don't know if you see it. So probably this board, if this path doesn't go to the VGA, when this laptop goes to sleep, you will not be able to wake up. Now, do you see what I see? So what I will do, I'll file. Maybe it wasn't from here, I don't know. So this is what we have to confirm. Okay, I did file this, you see it? So I'll do the test again on my board. So I'll go here, then okay, it is connected. That's good. There's nothing to worry about. So now let's continue our journey with this board. That's good. So let me take off those capacitors for CPU. That's corrosion. Nasty corrosion. That's a cleaning. Now let it solder. Bigger tip. The part I love, the flux. Man, I don't know, whoever invented this flux, he's a genius. Yep. Putting the pressure down a little bit. Do I have to call anyone, please?
Yeah. Even this lady 11 Pro.
Yeah, I will.
The best.
Okay, second capacitor. Flux. The last capacitor. CPU circuit. Okay. A little bit more flux. The last touch-up has to be flux. I'm just kidding, it's just the way I like doing it. Okay, so now let's check the board. All good. We just finished this guy. We confirmed this guy is going to the GPU, well, hopefully. Then we change those, we change this, we have to jumper 2 wires, we have changed this, we have to jumper 5 wire, we need to disconnect this and this and this in one wire, but there's a corrosion here, so there's a possibility that while usage might break, so I just enforce it. We change the LED driver, we confirm this one is connected, we change the LCD connector at jumper 1, I hear some replacement, this is I don't want it. Then let's see the other side of the board. This is just a flux. That's good. Now ultrasonic is a must. Now let me tell you this. Ultrasonic, most of the time they damage things. And I like to put them in ultrasonic, so if there is something corroded I did not see, it will fall with ultrasonic, and that's the reason I do it. So I go look for that part of the logic board, that circuit, I fix it, because if I don't ultrasonic it and I give it to the customer, it won't be like a quality repair, it will come back. So let's do diode mode here. That's good. The fuse. So there is no short here. No short here. No short here. I mean, where's the U7000? There is no here. It's good. So at this point, I feel I'm confident. I'll do ultrasonic, then we'll see after the ultrasonic. So let's see the logic board after ultrasonic cleaning. See, this is, I'll zoom out here. So what we did here, we changed the LCD connector, we changed this guy for the wire, we changed those resistors, we had the jumper wire as the corrosion damaged the wire embedded in the board, we changed this guy, we changed this resistor capacitors, those resistor capacitors, we had to change the LED driver, we checked all the rails and they're good. We had to change those guys. Then this rail was is bad. We jumper it. This one same thing. We had to change those. We changed this guy. Then we see there was a damage on the rail, but it was still connected, so we had to jumper a wire. We changed those guys. We had to jumper a wire here. Then we confirmed this still connected to the GPU, so it does wake up after sleep. We changed those for CPU. What did we do more? I think we changed something here more. Then let's test now. Actually, we will have a happy MacBook, or we should keep working on it. So I'm connecting my logic board here now. I'm not going to install my heatsink. I need one piece of RAM. I'll just connect the customer hard drive so I can see Apple logo, so the laptop doesn't keep spinning and searching for a hard drive. Okay, let me show you here. So the hard drive connected. You know what, let me grab the fan. I just reconnect connect the LCD screen again. Okay, fan spin. Yeah. Hard drive, yep. Happy MacBook. Okay, I'll shut it down, enough. Yeah, so we just finished another MacBook with liquid damage. As you saw, the liquid was on the LCD circuit, CPU circuit, the firewall circuit, and like other circuits. We had to change them all and jumper some wires because of the corrosion. Again, here's at Apple Expert, everything is repairable. Our specialty is liquid damage repair, logic board repairs on like on Macs, data recovery from a spinning hard drive, SSDs, SD card, USB, flash storage, data recovery from iPhones, repairing iPhones, iPads. If you've been told that your Mac is not repairable or it costs a lot to repair, come see us. We will make you happy. Thank you guys. Enjoy your day.